stand a chance to win a trip for two to Spain to watch Real Madrid live in action with @Nivea Man SA. Buy any Nivea Man deep product and enter *120 *607 hash to stand a chance. You can explore the sights of Madrid. You will have a training session at the Real Madrid training ground and a tour to the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium. Terms and conditions apply. The competition starts from the 1st of March to the 30th of April 2023. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. Hello and welcome to the weekend. Ahly versus Mamelodi Sundowns. That's one of the biggest fixtures this weekend. A very, very big fixture. Ahly need to win because Al Hilal have defeated Cotonspor midweek. So it means that Ahly are like 3 or 4 points adrift from some sort of safety before we wrap up these matches. It's 3 matches for all teams. Ahly and Mamelodi Sundowns are going to the 4th match. Remember, in the group stages, there's game number 5 and game number 6. So Ahly need to win this game. So it's going to be a very, very exciting weekend. Junior Khanye, our analyst, to talk us through this game. The first time around, it was 2-2. One of the most beautiful games of football that we watched that night. Tapela Morena scoring, Peter Shalulile scoring. Very good performance by Cassius Mailula. But Sundowns were under immense pressure, like seriously under pressure, but they kept on playing their football. What's your feeling about tomorrow?
Yes,
sir.
Ngibulise Justice.
Easy.
Yeah, nalengwenya yethu Mtsobitso, yeah.
So and so.
Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Ngine problem man. Ngorulani lately. Yabo Mr. Rulani Mkwena, I've got a big respect for him, but truly speaking, some of the decision he's making questionable. Yabo. He did very well. He started a special record like he's never lost since, I think it's about 19 games now, if not mistaken. And he conceded not many goals, but some of the games, yes, I understand, he gave youngsters the chance, but ama decision anokwenza sometimes playing umkwena. Understand which are a situation whereby he came training drunk, him and Mbule. Funny enough, Mbule udlalile and Uchali didn't play. Understand which are gune rumor he might leave, and I believe he's one of the best talent for me. So Urulani, I think you need to nguleko yazima we leader. Some of the things in quality enough kakulu. We set the standard already. Some of the games generally came out through the Stellenbosch. The way he started, I don't think he was supposed to start justify uthi sometimes you need to lose in order or draw in order for you to go and rethink kabusha. So une quality enough. I don't think I need a Marienza we. Kwamanya decision arrogant. I mean, if it was ilukali Sumbule no chali big menadlale for me, I believe yes Umbule beyangekho I don't think futhi uthatha decision right ukuthi adlale Umbule ngoba Umbule psychological for me. I don't think he was ready after kumedia yonke indawo ukuthi bekakhona ba create itori baveza nama picks. He was not supposed to play. Equality ukuthi ungambuyisa mara kule game. So it throw ngoba arrogance yakhe sometimes in it is very questionable. Very good coach, young coach, and he's done well since took over from Mangoba Mngeti, no Steve, him as a head coach, but some of the decisions that you need to, I think, humble himself, Abambi Hendrik, and listen to advices. I know what Labantabomango, my assistant work and Steve. He needs to go to Zambula, Mamela, we back to drawing board, put proper players about his the team in quality enough, players who deserve to play for him. I'm sure I'm a result of what all. Good game, just to answer you. Sundowns going to win. Coach, yeah, Bezala. Ahly, very interesting game. Babonile gule tutu. Tactical spot on. Ahly, experienced team in this trophy. They can score goals as well. Away, very experienced team. They can score and come and sit bapagi pass. Bantile. But playing against one of the fluid team, high-profile team, especially TSTV Premiership and Gulo the Cup. Now Baksa Bantabashak the Cup. So playing home, Sundowns an advantage, yes. And I saw the mfana Mailula, urula nune answer umuntu ongamkorela amagoli na Shalili competition ikwenye level. Yes. Sundowns will win the game, yeah.
Okay, that's Mamelodi Sundowns Al Ahly. That plays at 3 p.m. Tomorrow, Saturday. That's going to be a very, very interesting game. No one knows what's going to happen in that game. It could be a draw, could be a win for the away team, could be a loss or a win for the home team. Anything could happen in that game. That's almost a 50-50 or 55-45 game. WSB.co.za. Al Ahly need to win that game. They definitely need to win that game. We've seen them live, Junior and I, in Pretoria. We've seen them going there to win 1-0 and actually park the bus the whole game. They are capable of doing that. They are very, very tournament experienced. They're they are the best African team to have ever been seen on the continent. Best African club of the century. Best African club side. However, they're playing a very, very, very good team. I think that's the team of the tournament. Sundowns and Pedro Atletico. Those two teams are the teams to watch this tournament, alongside Abovidat, Casablanca, and Al Ahly themselves. Mamelodi Sundowns. A few teams playing, big teams in the Nedbank Cup as well that we'll be watching. Orlando Pirates tomorrow at 8 p.m. will play against Venda Football Academy. Orlando Pirates being the home team. Very quickly, your feeling about that game?
Yeah, I'm feeling Pirates from Derby, they came back and step up. Some players that were playing at Derby didn't perform. They came, they play after Derby, there was something else. Solus, they scored, I think, about 4 goals, if not mistaken. Derby, irrespective of the Solus in Jani, Ibabains with the coach by release and spent up. So, Gunama player that they step out to read, came, raise their hands. Bonaboloch, Munapule Saling. Yes, now team, good came. So, no capital Tamin as well. So, Pirates going to this game, Venda in the league, they're not doing well, especially Gumutsipe Champ, they're not doing well. We are one of academy. Academy. I see they bring younger players there. It's more of developing players and sending to other teams. Team trend in terms of structure in the future, but not winning. Orlando Pirates Mutsipe Foundation champ, they're not doing well. Very difficult for them. Pirates going to win. I think it's a one way. Pirates experience now. Coming to this game, I'm sure, by the upper hand. Yes, they'll win the game, definitely.
All right. Orlando Pirates, not for the first time playing against lower league opposition in the Nedbank Cup this season. They defeated the All Stars in one of the games that they had a very difficult first half. They came back in the second half and they won that game, I think 2-0, if I'm not mistaken. We were here covering that game, All Stars versus Pirates, in the previous round of the Nedbank Cup. They're also playing a team in the same division, the Motsepe Foundation Championship. Another one from the Motsepe Foundation Championship is Casric Stars, or Casric Stars rather. They're playing against Kaizer Chiefs at 6 p.m. On Sunday. Kaizer Chiefs Nedbank Cup. Junior Khanye, quickly your prediction on that game?
Very tight in the chairman Ali club. Paksim Tombin. I would see Khale Pogono Tigibo. Ngazuli so.
But your coach, no? Chairman is also coaching.
My dream. Maganglanda David John. I'm the one who brought him to David John or Fagin Matlubi Mali Slalange. He loves Kaizer, he loves David John. Mundu young Tanda from development, so he loves Kaizer Chiefs. He's a coach, he's a chairman, true. The way I passionate ngakona, uNkulunkulu mphila amandla, ngami inkonze one futhi nalengwe. So ngiyazi ngimncane like bekwazi kuzendlini. I know him, background yakhe, igrotman yakhe lesipana kukwezi ukamela. I know intwana yakhe lencane. So I know ifamily nakibe charting. So compliment ukuthi azithole ngibona na kuleague is doing well. It's going to be very difficult ngoba amanye amagame abo mina ngabukelile. Outing is supporting Temang is good by Casric since Ian Palmer before he passed on. We were a team. We Casric good. I think it was Mtsipe. Ngayambukela bengilibele ngimsupport. Now ngimbukele kwa mama game now. Very difficult team to beat. Especially ubadala we fan Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs that is playing for me in Kulego ngabi convinced me. I know they won 2 games, getting red cards in 4 games, failing to score. Yes, you won 2 games. You won. Been a red card. Those team Pirates all red cards. Now the team the one they beat now, Richards Pay got a red card as well. Very difficult, especially first half. Good Richards Pay. So Pirates is second half, but you failed to score. I'm gonna be convinced. I'm sorry. Pound to pound with those players. If Casric now is going. Let me be honest, yes. Omunye umuntu angabona ngenye bawine ngendlela ngale game Richards Bay. They won ngenye indlela. Set piece, Pirates on goal, angabi convinced. Casric give me a surprise abantu ngale game. Cela ipale phansi. Angithi ngePirates I said it and then they won. Yonke. Leyo ipale phansi. Bheka. Thatha iball pen ipale phansi. They will be eliminated in this tournament. Kule cup, yeah. Sunday they will be 5:05 out. Oh, you don't believe? Yeah.
Pound to pound, bayalenga.
For me, a lot of players at Kaizer Chiefs abakapha isandla. So we need to be honest in Kuleo. I'm not convinced. Ama-team abaya, if they're playing against them, they believe they can win. Abakabi convincing. Yes, they won. Ngishukuthi amagame abawinile. If you uthola red card in the history has never happened. Failing to score, my brother. So this team believe they're number 3 on the log. Kaizer Chiefs number 4.
I'm trying to check that.
Yeah. 3 on the leg. In number 1, Bashena 2-3 points. Number 2, number 1 last week. Yes. If not mistaken, 1 game in hand.
I'm trying to check that because the last time I checked they were number 1 and then they dropped. Polokwane City I think is currently number 1 now in that league. But anyways, besides that, like we should know that there's always a difference between these lower league teams and top teams. It doesn't mean that they can't lose. So Casric is number 3. They're doing well actually. 43 points in their own log. So you are 100% confident that they should win.
Kulego I'm sure Khanye uPax ngimbiza ngoPakhanye ayifuna ukuyiwina le game. Mina ngiyakutshela ngisibukele njengoba ngitshela kune talent kule team. Highly motivated. Kulego I'm telling you they're gonna eliminate Kaizer Chiefs Sunday. Yes.
There you go. On Sunday, 6 p.m., Kaizer Chiefs, Casric Stars will be here to give you that game. iDiskiTV, iDiskiTimes, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.